How do emotions affect the way you perceive the food? Do you know how music and colors influence your food choices? The Master in Sensory Analysis and Consumer Science offers a training in sensory analysis methodologies, equipping the students with methodologies to analyze the data, but also an understanding of those complex factors like physiological, psychological, social, cultural, and genetics that is going to have an impact in how we make choices about foods and how we perceive the flavor. This master will take place at GOE, Gastronomy Open Ecosystem, the new building of Basque Culinary Center, a center focused on research, education and entrepreneurship in the heart of Donosti San Sebastian. This master program starts from the basis of sensory analysis methodologies and statistics, but you will also be able to work with real companies through challenges. You will go to the sensory lab, train real panels, and you will meet famous speakers through master classes. If you want to participate in the first Master in Sensory Analysis and Consumer Science in Europe, enroll now.